accident. Could have not.
What?
Could have been an accident. Could have not been an accident. We'll never know. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and today's video I have two guests, two very special guests. To my furthest, what is left, this is Lexi, just Lexi Simple, and this is Vanessa, aka Pink, Peach, and what's on the menu. So today we'll be doing a truth or drink. We're hella unprepared. Don't think we'll have is the alcohol, because alcohol must be there, but we don't really have no questions. We're gonna figure it out. So if you're interested in good time, good vibes, and some laughter, then keep on watching. Alright guys, let's go. So, what's the first question?
What is the worst date you've ever been on?
That quick? That early? Huh.
So when do you drink? When you don't have it?
When you don't want to tell the question.
Oh, what if I've never been on a date?
Well, I guess you don't have a worst date, so you just be like, abstain. I don't know.
Can I drink?
Sure. I know that's where this was going. Worst date I've ever been on. I don't think I've really ever been on a bad date. I could. Worst date. Never really been on a bad date.
Cheers to that.
I know, right? So I don't want. I'm not gonna drink.
Oh, that's nice.
Alright. What's the next one?
Next question. Have you ever had a crush on a friend's boyfriend or girlfriend?
No.
Yes.
No. No.
What? They look good.
Yeah, that don't mean
And
nothing.
they have a nice personality, so obviously you might have a crush on them. That was before. You know.
Well, for me personally, no. I don't think my friends and I like the same type of guys.
Yes. But it just ended there. Like I never entertained those kind of
you
thoughts
have that
after
crush
that.
and then you're just like, okay,
I mean, you
moving on.
can appreciate why they like the person.
Yeah.
But I have had a crush on like one of my guys' friends, but that's about it.
Was the guy like? Never mind.
Let's not explore.
Yeah,
I've had crush at them. Yeah.
Yes or no.
Next question. If you had to make out with a boy at school, who would it be?
I don't go to school.
Yeah, I don't go to school. So that's not good. Why you ask that question?
Just skip ahead. Just skip ahead.
Would you rather go for a month without washing your hair or go for a day without wearing a bra?
Bro,
what kind of question
bro is shackles.
Listen,
if I had little less boobs and never had to wear a bra, I would not wear a bra.
to be honest, if I'm staying home all weekend, I ain't wearing a bra.
That was an easy question. Just like,
let's look for some
goes without
spicy
saying.
questions.
Have you ever asked someone out?
I don't chase after guys. Guys chase after me. So
I mean, I've gone on friend dates and that's about it. I don't like ask guys on a date.
Like,
I tell you, I don't chase after guys.
I wouldn't. I'm sorry. I don't like rejection.
I mean, they're not gonna reject me, but still.
Yes, ma'am.
That's that on that.
I mean,
that on that.
have you ever had a crush on a person that is 10 years older than you?
No.
Hello, Sean Connery. May he rest in peace. Shout out to my man's.
No.
Shout out to my man's Sean Connery. May he rest in peace. I love you, babe. You blessed me for a lot of years. And I can't believe 2020 took you from us, but I still love you. I know you're looking down at me and smiling. I appreciate you.
Wow, those people out there.
Okay, I mean, right? Who is the worst kisser you've kissed? Name.
Name what you name.
Worst kisser. I don't have that much experience, to be honest, guys.
I don't want anybody to
Yeah,
feel.
I don't want nobody to feel.
Just drinking because
I don't want to name names.
Okay. You know, answer this one about bra? No? Tighty whities or granny panties?
No.
I'm not the worst person for this. I'll answer anything on the alcohol.
Is there a YouTuber you don't like?
Okay. Is a YouTuber that I don't like?
Yeah. Is there a
Anywhere in
YouTuber
Jamaica or
Instagrammer, influencer that you do not like?
do not like? And there's nobody that I know personally who I don't like as a YouTuber or Instagrammer. Is there anybody whose content I don't like?
I would rather keep the peace, so I drink.
YouTuber.
I'm not going to name any names, but I will say I do not like those persons that do or post or do content around like clickbait.
I don't like Jake Paul, I guess.
Who?
I don't know. He's always in drama, so I guess it's easy to name him. I don't know him personally. Is his brother.
His brother. Yeah, I don't like them either.
So I think that's
Sorry.
easy.
I think in general
They do a lot of
prank videos
clickbait
annoy
and-
me.
Yeah.
Prank videos annoy me, like to the point where the other person walks into the room looking for the camera. It just after
No, but the
like,
thing is that even when they know that the camera is there, they still be like,
or they pretend that they don't
time to
know.
act.
I just don't
Yes.
watch them, so I keep my peace.
Yeah.
What is the sexiest thing about a guy?
Ooh, I like smile. I like a nice smile. How you
I
doing?
like body, but there are like certain things on the body. I mean, the face have to look good. I am very visually motivated. But once the body look good, like
Body can work on, but the face have to look good.
no, there's something up, but like there's parts of the body, like there's like the bridge of that. Some like certain things.
Yes. Okay, you're going a bit too deep. How about you, Lexi?
If you're confident, not like cocky, but confident.
If you can
You know how
dress
to
well,
hold
too.
your
Ooh, I love
own.
a man who can dress well.
Yeah.
Oh my
And yeah.
I'm just
There-
like,
And then have them
there's
own
a guy on
swagger.
Twitter that wore a pink suit the other day. You know who you are. Yeah, he look really good. But not like it look really good.
What's your most shallow reason for not going on a second date?
I never dated. How do you do that?
Vanessa, what is going on in your
I know, right?
life?
Like-
My most shallow reason
Exit
for not
stage
going.
left.
First of all,
Excuse me.
bad conversation not going any at all. Like it's just crickets. No. Poor body hygiene.
Yes!
No. Bad breath.
When you
No.
don't smell nice, and I'm not talking about you have to wear cologne and all them things there, so you know you smell like $100. I'm talking about well, not $100. That's
A million.
$1,000,000, yeah. But if your breath stink,
No.
Usher.
Poor body odor.
Usher
Like how you
not.
can look for a good girl like us and come to us and your breath don't smell good.
Exactly.
Sir, what is going on in your life?
It's
What
it's not
is
because you
going
ate
on?
garlic or onion or some kind of meal
No,
that you know.
no,
It's because
listen.
you come here with your.
Oh, you can do that.
No.
Unacceptable. Unacceptable.
What kind of underwear do you wear?
Lacy. But listen,
It depends on the mood.
It depends.
I'm not
Thank
going to
you.
say that I'm always
I'm
wearing.
an all-purpose girl.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
I have to
You
have
wear
your
this
mouth.
all the time?
all the time I love lace.
Oh,
And
well.
Sorry.
I have my granny panties. I'm not going to
And you
lie.
wear oh,
There it is when I'm like comfort over sex appeal.
I'm like,
exactly.
they're like lacy, big on the. Never mind. Let's finish that thought right there.
What was your longest relationship?
Why you keep asking about relationships? I give up qualified for these questions.
For me, it was 5+ years.
I think I just saw something run behind us. Yeah, pets?
No. But yeah, for me, it was 5+ years. How about you?
I don't know whose auntie is watching this content, but mine.
Next question.
Well.
So, what?
Let me ask a random question. Have you guys ever been in a love triangle?
No.
Oh, so just me?
Good up. Is it that they did not tell you no?
It could have been because I was the one who had the love triangle. It could have been an accident. Could have not.
What?
Could have been an accident. Could have not been an accident. We'll never know.
Wow. I'm learning about my friends today.
And then there could have been other love triangles, like quadrilaterals.
Oh, we're going into other shapes now.
I hate.
Snap. Have you ever bribed or flirted with a police officer to get out of a ticket?
Oh, hell yes.
Unashamedly.
Unashamedly. Blink, flash my hair.
Flash hair.
Or ball.
Flash hair.
I've bawled literal tears because
Why are you like this?
no, yo, if I ever tell you that story, I didn't want to go on the road and my mother wanted me to carry her to her car, who my brother had at work. And I was in my pajamas. I was supposed to be returning the car to my boss. And my mother asked me to ask my boss to drop her to get the car, and my boss said sure. Vanessa goes, and on the road, Vanessa is apparently going 80 in a 50 zone. It was more than 80, but it's a 50 zone. And the police pulled me over. And the reason my boss was taking back the car was because everything was due to expire. Except it wasn't due to expire, it had already expired, and he was going to fix it. And I didn't know. And police is just like, well, this is an 8 grand ticket, and then a 5 grand this, and a 5, and I'm just like, sir, I didn't even want to be here right now. And I started to cry. And he's just like, alright, I'm just going to give you a warning, but get the car off the road, get it to your boss. And I'm just like, thank you. That's it. Ball, literal I want to.
I got numbers and then do answer.
And out there ghosting people. Real Catholics, you know.
It wasn't called ghosting. I didn't ask for your number. You gave me your number.
Yeah.
I'm not obligated to respond.
That is true.
There's a difference if I was like, hey, how about, we continue this.
You know that video of the lady? You know the video of the lady is just like, ooh, you, in America, and she's just like, ooh, you sir, you look good, you're a good body policeman, and blah, blah, blah. I was just like, yeah, I've done that before.
Oh no.
You know who needs to really get, I don't know if security guards get constant evaluation, but they should.
They should.
Some of them I don't really feel secure around.
I agree.
Or some of them, never mind.
Next question.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to a strip club?
Yes.
No.
No.
It used to be a regular. I'm like, really?
No, I haven't been to a strip club.
Wow, I've been to a male strip club, female strip club.
And she's not. No wonder she don't have time for dates.
Listen.
Yeah, out here again. Let me strip so I can please.
Man, the male one was like a real
male one.
Event,
I wanted to go to the male one that was in Country, the white, the Manding. What is it? The male one in Country.
Oh, in Country. You mean done by Pochi?
Yeah. Never work out.
Yes, I saw him when he was in New Kingston.
You're in Tadrid?
No, man, it was a strip club in New Kingston. When he came
on tour.
On tour, yes, that was very interesting.
Have you ever asked for a nude?
I don't.
No.
I don't have to ask.
I get unsolicited news.
I know, right? Unsolicited.
I know,
nudes.
right? It's like random DMs.
I'm like,
see
some of y'all
stuff.
men, some of y'all men are very confident.
I know, right? And like Instagram would bleep out or blur out like sensitive content if you see blood, but then don't blur out pics.
Because everybody's own looks different. So tiny.
Like pics are just like.
What am I supposed to do with this?
And you can't unsee it.
You can never unsee. Unsolicited.
This man don't say, hey, don't just say.
What make you what do you look on that make you think that I want to see that?
Oh my god.
And men, even if they see you with somebody, they just still do these things.
I feel like they're more motivated.
No, the funniest story I heard is like one time a guy was looking at a girl and she was there with her friend and she's like, I have a man. The guy responds, but a bird cannot fly on one wing. A bird cannot fly on one wing.
Oh gosh. Why? The confidence level of some of you men are. I don't know whether to applaud you or to
but I don't know why. Why are you so confident? What is going on?
I saw a question a while ago. Like,
yeah.
I've been drinking the one bottle of that one.
Wasn't that?
So more, how often am I you touch yourself?
What is the first thing you would do if you woke up one day as the opposite sex?
Check out my package.
Me too. Like everyone is the first thing.
I mean, that's why I send those videos because they keep checking out themselves.
Probably.
Yeah, I would probably be like,
I'll be like. I don't know what motivates them to do what they no.
no, that men don't think with their brain, they think with their penis.
That's their brain.
Yep.
The penis and the brain.
Let's move on. Next question.
Oh my god.
Okay, let me find another one.
Page.
Oh.
Or she can ask them that we haven't
It was the
answered.
same thing. Yeah, you can ask now.
Uh-oh.
And my battery is low, so you know
God.
I'm going to a place nearby. Gotta go.
And you said me drink too much.
She's always like this though.
I know,